If you're scared of heights, you may not be a fan of bridges, whether they are going over large expanses of water or cutting through the mountains. Many bridges are not only popular landmarks, but they are amazing feats of construction. Here are the top 10 most amazing bridges in the world, those have ever built among the most iconic, historic, unique, and physics defying in the world. Let's get started. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, now subscribe and press the bell icon button to get latest notifications. Number 1. Brooklyn Bridge, New York. One of the oldest suspension bridges in the United States, the Brooklyn Bridge is a national historic landmark and it is one of New York's most popular attractions. It's appeared on screen in movies ranging from Sex and the City and Moonstruck to Spider-Man and Ghostbuster. More than 12,000 vehicles, 4,000 pedestrians and 3,100 cyclists cross over the East River from Brooklyn to Manhattan via the Brooklyn Bridge every day. Number 2. Helix Bridge, Singapore. Shaped like a twisting strand of DNA, the Helix Bridge in Singapore opened in 2010 as the world's first curved bridge. The pedestrian-only bridge is designed with an illuminated walkway wrapped in 4 inner spirals of glass and steel, linking Marina Centre with Marina South. The bridge offers beautiful views of the Singapore skyline, gardens by the Bay Nature Park, and Marina Bay Sands Megas Resort, particularly from its 4 viewing platforms. Number 3. Millau Viaduct Bridge, France. Rising 1125 feet taller than Eiffel Tower, the Millau Viaduct is the world's highest vehicular amazing bridges. Building it cost more than $600 million and took 17 years, but the wait was worth it. The bridge opened in 2004 and has since become a regional tourist attraction, drawing crowds who come to canoe beneath it, hang glide above it, or simply admire this architectural wonder from afar. It's most spectacular when fog rolls into the valley, often appearing as though it's floating above the clouds. Number 4. Széchenyi Chain Bridge, Hungary. When it opened in 1849, this bridge crossing the Danube River connected to the separate cities of Buda and Pest, now united as Hungary's capital. During World War II, the bridge was completely destroyed. Only the pillars were left standing. It was rebuilt in 1947 and today, with its stone lions on other side of the entrance, it is an enduring symbol of Budapest. The bridge is particularly popular with locals and visitors at night when it's beautifully illuminated and during the many summer festivals held on it. Number 5. Golden Gate Bridge, California. Completed in 1937, the Golden Gate Bridge is one of the most recognizable structures in the world and has been named one of the wonders of the modern world by the American Society of Civil Engineers. The 4,200-foot-long suspension span, which set records when it opened, run across the Golden Gate Strait and connects the city of San Francisco to Marin County. More than 2 lakh people crossed the amazing bridges on the day it opened. Today, more than 1,12,000 cars and 27,000 pedestrians and bikers traverse it every day, often while stranded in the city's notorious fog. Number 6. Sydney Harbour Bridge, Australia. Nicknamed the Kottangar for its arched design, the Sydney Harbour Bridge is synonymous with Australia as kangaroos. It took 1,400 workers 8 years to build this architectural beauty, which opened in 1932. It holds several records, including the 6th longest spanning arch bridge in the world, the tallest steel arch bridge, and until 2012, the world's widest long span bridge. Today, it's a major transport route for pedestrians, cyclists, cars, and trains. Number 7. Vasco da Gama Bridge, Portugal. Stretching 11 miles over the Tagus River and named after the legendary Portuguese explorer, the Vasco da Gama Bridge was built in 1998 for the Lisbon World Exposition. The bridge is the longest in Europe. It's so long, in fact, that engineers had to account for the curvature of the earth when building it. This incredible feat of engineering only took 18 months for 3,300 workers to complete. Though it came at a cost of about $1 billion, the bridge is so long that on cloudy days it's impossible to see from one end to other end. Number 8. Ponte Vecchia Bridge, Italy. Florence's oldest bridge, the Ponte Vecchia, is a medieval bridge that dates back to 1345. It's distinguished not only by history but by the shops that lines its span. Originally, these outposts were occupied by butchers and then later jewelers and art dealers. Now they filled mostly with trinket and souvenir stores. During World War II, Hitler deemed the bridge important enough that he ordered his troops to leave it unscathed, but it was nearly destroyed by floods 2 decades later in 1966. Today, it's one of Florence's most recognizable landmarks and popular tourist attractions. Number 9. Tower Bridge, England. A Gothic style bascule similar to a drawbridge and a suspension bridge. The Tower Bridge was built from 1886 to 1894 across the city's Thames River. It consists of two towers connected at the top by two horizontal walkways and a bascule that pivots to raise the road and allow ships to sail through. The two towers, walkways, and Victorian engine room can only be visited as part of the ticketed Tower Bridge exhibition, but the rest of the bridge is accessible to cars and pedestrians crossing the river. Number 10. Golden Bridge, Vietnam. Located in the Bana Hills of central Vietnam, Ca Bang, or the Golden Bridge is a 490-foot-long pedestrian bridge and scenic overlook. The amazing bridge, which sits 3,200 feet above sea level, opened in June 2018. Not only is the bridge impressively located high above the trees, but the walkway appears to be held up by two massive stone hands. The area around the bridge, formerly the size of an American Army base, has been a tourist attraction for decades, replete with a cable car, gardens, a replica French medieval village, and wax museum. So these are the top 10 most amazing bridges in the world. Which is your favorite one? Do let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this, let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can catch up my next video. Thank you.